everyone. In this video, we can see about the basics of HTML. Let's see the content of this video. First, we go to the structure of HTML and then we can see some basic tags like heading, paragraph, meta, and then how to include horizontal lines in between of the web pages. Then how to include the space, empty space. Then how to pre-format it. Then how to include the command. Let's begin with the structure of HTML. This is the structure of HTML. First is the mandatory tag. First and foremost tag is exclamatory doc type HTML. Then we want to include the HTML tag. Each and every tag must be closed mandatorily. It's very important. Then heading tag. Inside the head tag, we want to include title. This is very important. This is the topmost title of our web page. Then inside the body tag we can frame our web page. Then we want to close our body tag and HTML tag. This is the basic structure of HTML. Then heading tag. How to include heading tag? There are 6 type of heading tags in our HTML, starting from H1, then ending with H6. H1 is the important tag, which is the very first tag, bold. It's the biggest heading tag. Then H6 is the smallest heading tag. Let's see this heading tag in practical way, how the output will displayed. See here, I opened HTML tag and closed it. Inside the body tag, I given this 6 heading tag, starting from H1 to ending with H6. Let's see this output. You can see now H1 tag is the biggest tag and H6 is the very smallest tag. According to your need, you can include which heading tag you want in your web page. You can decide it. Then meta tag. This meta tag is included inside your head tag. It is very important to specify the keywords of your website. See, you can give the name attribute and you can define your keywords for your web page and description of your web page. I given my web page keyword is HTML website creation or course. If anybody search with HTML website creation and course words means my web page will appear there. Then for description, what's the web page you are created for? This is the description. Then HTTP equivalent equal to refresh. Content is equal to 30. Each and every minute you want to refresh your web page. That will you can represent here. Then viewport. This attribute helps you to define the structure of your website in multiple devices. Like you can see in mobile phone we have some width. In laptop or desktop we have another width. According to the device, it will occupy the website means you can specify it, in this meta tag. It doesn't reflect in your web page actually, but inside at the back end it will work. That is the use of meta tag. You can see here I give one paragraph tag. Here I give one paragraph tag and whatever I explained about meta tag I displayed here, but the output is only for paragraph tag. You can see output is only for paragraph tag, not for meta tag. It will works in a backend. Okay, next one paragraph tag. The syntax is less than greater than symbol. Inside that paragraph tag name is small letter p. Inside that you can define your paragraph according to your need. You can see here paragraph welcome to means output is just a paragraph. It is a default size. If you want to increase this size or decrease this size means you can go for a styling language CSS. No, that will helps there. Next one, horizontal lines. How to include horizontal lines? You can see Here normally I defined heading tag, paragraph tag. Inside this I want one horizontal line, means it's not possible to type hyphen hyphen hyphen. Okay, it will take long time, so we can represent it using h or tag. Here you can see in demo, I given one head tag, I given one paragraph tag. You can see this output normally. Okay, this is the my heading h1. This is my paragraph tag, small letter p. Inside this I want one horizontal line. Okay, if I type paragraph and hyphen hyphen, means it will take more time. That's why I give h or simply. Okay, now control plus s, saving is very important. Then you can refresh your web page. You can see now these two tags are separated with one horizontal line. This is the use of these horizontal lines. You can insert as many as your wish. Then empty space. You can see in paragraph tag, if you are giving how many, if you are given many spaces also, it doesn't affect in your web page. It's simply displayed as it is. It doesn't consider the space, um, as many space into account. So what you can do is simply given this break. Okay, you can see here syntax br break. This break will helps you to insert your space. You can see now I refresh my web page, means it will give you a space. Okay, if you don't want to go for next line, means you can simply give an address of nbsp semicolon. This will helps you to enter a small amount of space. Okay, here you can see isn't very one space having. Here you can see some amount of space are added. Okay, these are all the two types of space you can include. If you are giving break, means it will go for next line. That means as many spaces are included there. Okay, here address of nbsp semicolon takes place. Here dr break, that tag is takes place. That's what we can include empty spaces inside html document. Then now you can see pre-formatted. If you want to display some coding. Okay, if you want to display some content which is exactly look likes in coding, you want same it as in browser, means you are no need to use as many tags and so many confusion. So to avoid that, we can use this pre tag. Inside this pre tag, however it looks like in our code editor, same thing will display in our web page. You can see here I can remove these spaces. Okay, now before this paragraph tag I giving pre-formatted. That means I am formatting this here. Okay, this pre-formatting I entered here. Inside this pre-formatting, whatever I displayed, it will automatically displaying like learning html. Here I am giving some spaces. I'm this for next line. Then up to v I am giving some spaces. Here I give some spaces. Okay, this is what inside the pre-formatting tag I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, six spaces I am included. It's in the pre-formatting. Okay, let's see exactly like this in web browser it will display. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, six spaces are included. That's what the use of pre-formatted tag. Then comments. How to include comments? Comment is essential whenever other developers or other person seeing your code. Comments will helps you to address the code. What's the code is mainly for, right? For that purpose only we are using comments. Here in HTML we can use like tag. We want to open as like a tag. Then exclamatory to hyphen. And at the end we want to include two hyphen. This is what the comments included in HTML. You can see I am in this demo.html. I want to just display welcome to h1 tag only. I want to display h1 tag only. Remaining all other codes are I am commenting. Okay, hyphen hyphen. This is our what to say, unwanted codes. Okay, unwanted code. I am ending it with pre-formatting tag. Okay, now you can run this. You can see only h1 tag is displaying here. Okay, this is what use of the comment. Sometimes if you are no need to delete your coding, just you can comment it and use other coding. If you want this coding again means you can simply uncomment it. Okay, that's what the use of comments. That's it, ending of today's video. Met you in another video. Thanks for watching.